Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix internet problem on Poco phone. Friends, you have guys your internet problem on your Poco phone, so how to fix guys internet problem. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to fix internet problem on Poco mobile. Friend, first of all open your phone setting to fix internet problem. So friends, you can see phone setting here. So guys, we will on guys phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Poco phone. So then how to reset means how to fix internet problem. Friends, you can fix from your connection and sharing option guys. Tap here first friends on your aeroplane mode, and guys off aeroplane mode after 1.5 minutes. And guys now on your internet, so your internet is working, that's good. And not, so guys what will you have to do guys, scroll it. Friends, click on reset option, and friends you can see reset setting is tap here. And friends, you will have to draw your pattern here, and you have any password, so can enter your password. So friends, I will draw my pattern lock. And friends, you can see want to reset guys, tap here to reset. Then guys your internet problem will fix after 5 and 10 seconds. And guys now you can use guys your internet without any problem. After guys you have any problem on your internet, so guys don't worry guys, take a screenshot of guys your phone model number, send me on comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. So like that guys, we can fix internet problem. First friends, on your airplane mode, and guys your problem has solved, that's good. Not solved, off airplane mode, click on reset option, and friends tap here and draw your pattern and reset guys your internet setting. Then guys you can use your internet. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video guys. Do you have any doubt guys related to guys your Poco phone setting, you can ask me comment section guys, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.